Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon TS3750i. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. So to get started, we come down here to where the paper feeds out and we need to gain access to the ink cartridges. So with the printer on, we're going to reach in and there are two little bits of plastic we can squeeze together here. Squeeze them. Then that little hatch comes down. Now as you can see, the printer has realised we've opened that door and it's moved the ink cartridges into the correct position over here on the left where we can access them fully. If you have no cartridges in the machine, you'll see in the base of the printer there is an indication of colour and black here, but hopefully you'll be able to tell from the cartridges as well. Now, to remove the cartridges, press down firmly on these little blue holders here and you have to give it a little bit of muscle. You hear that click and that's released the cartridge on the left here. Then we can just work him out. It's quite tight, can be a little fiddly. But here we can see I've got the colour cartridge. Then we take our replacement unit, remove any protective packaging that's on there, which on the originals is a little plastic tab running up the side of the cartridge, so we take those off. But if you're buying compatibles or remanufactured ones, the tape sometimes comes up the front here and also obscures the electronic contacts your printer uses to read the cartridge. Then we just essentially do what we did but in reverse. Let's put the cartridge in there, it'll sit nice and loose. And then we lift this up. Now it's not particularly smooth moving that up and down, you do have to just have faith that you're doing it correctly. Wrench it up or down and then repeat for the other cartridge if needed. Then we can just lift up this door. When it's gone up high enough it'll click and hold itself in position and you'll hear some whirring from the printer as it's taking a look at the cartridge and making sure it's happy. And if we head up to the screen, hopefully you're looking at something like this, which indicates it's accepted the ink cartridge and all is well. If however your printer has detected any issues at all, you'll be getting E followed by a numerical code. So I'll leave a link to your printer manual below just in case you need to troubleshoot any of those, but if you're getting E13 or E16 you're probably using a refilled or remanufactured cartridge, in which case this is quite normal and we have a separate video on our channel showing you how to deal with this if you're interested. Now thank you for taking the time to watch this video, I hope you found it useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.